Name's Troy Wayman, located in Wichita, Kansas. We have been a franchisee since October of 2016. We've completed full year 3 here recently, starting year 4. Business partner is Mitch Wayman, and that's how we got started. I looked at a lot of different opportunities out there, and I was sure I was wanting to do something different than what I'd ever done before. So I looked for a really long time, and one of my sons actually met a citywide individual in a coffee shop in Kansas City. And they had a conversation, and my son was living up there, and he said, "Dad, you need to check out this citywide thing." So I did, and that was before Thanksgiving. He came home for Thanksgiving. He said, "Dad, did you check out that citywide thing?" "Yeah." He said, "Did you really check out that citywide thing?" I said, okay, I'll look at it a little bit deeper. So I vetted him a little harder, got on the internet, checked some areas out, found out about them, and then made a phone call, and it started everything from there. I was most impressed with the professionalism that I was met with, and that when we started the process, that they didn't want me just because I wanted them. I had to fit the culture. And culture is a big thing to me, and that's what I'm building in my citywide franchise, is a culture. And everywhere I reached out, whether it was in the main office in Kansas City or contacting other franchisees, there was a culture there. There was trust, camaraderie, the ability to be transparent. You could ask him anything, and it's still that way today, that if you have something you can't figure out, there's somebody in this organization that can. And if they can't, they'll tell you who can. So it's just a family. And to me, that's everything.